What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I just wanted to show you guys something I learned because I watched a lot of YouTube videos trying to learn this and I couldn't find it anywhere. So I figured I'd make a quick little video just in case someone else, like I was looking for this video and couldn't find it. So today, we are going to be dealing with the drive-by cable on my throttle body here on my 5.3. So obviously, this is it. Opens up. Obviously all that stuff, you probably already know that, but I'm going to show you how to get this wire off from the throttle body itself, because it's a little confusing to someone who doesn't really know what they're doing, just like I am.
What a stupid son of a bitch.
I learned, now I'm going to show you, so let's go. Alright guys, so here is the throttle body connected to the throttle body cable. So what you're going to want to do here is pull this back. And there goes my screwdriver. So you're going to pull it back and give it some slack, and you can see there's a little line there. I'm going to pull it right through there, and then boom, it's out. So the first one is done. So we'll let that hang for a second. Next thing we're going to do here is mess with this here. So basically all you got to do is spin this out. So just going to continue to spin until it is out. And just like that, that cable is out. Now let's move on to here. Alright, so these are fairly simple. All you're going to want to do, get a pair of pliers, push these down, and pull them through here with a wiggle, and you can pop it up, we just pull it through. I'll do the next one. This one is a square shape instead of the last one being a circle. Same thing, pull it up and pull it through. Now let's work on the top. Okay, here at the top of the engine we have three 10mm bolts, so we're going to take those off. And that last bolt back there is a little hard to get into, so we're going to use a wrench. And there it is, it's out. Now we should be able just to pull up on this and put it to the side. Try to get this out of the way for now. Just put it up. So that's a complete step-by-step how you take off the cables on an LS engine with the throttle by cable. It's fairly simple actually. I didn't know. I was looking on the internet for a while, looked on YouTube, couldn't find any videos, so finally found a forum where it explained how to do it. So I figured I'd make a video just to show anybody else that had questions like I did and didn't really know what to do. Fairly simple job. You just need 10mm and a pair of pliers. That's it. We got it all off, and now we can continue working on this engine. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.